Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faris, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video because I just received my parcel, which I've been waiting for a couple of days. And this is a compact refrigerator which I ordered through Amazon, and the brand name is Smad. The reason I choose this brand is because I have read an article on their official website, which is called "Why Do I Need a Mini Fridge?" So before I read that article, I only know that the mini fridge can be used in your office room. But after I read that article, I know that the mini fridge can be used in several ways. And so that article pushes me to purchase a mini fridge, and especially the summer is coming. So let's do the unboxing now. Alright, I think the package is very nice. It also uses the wood to protect the refrigerator, and I think this is necessary because I think some home appliances are very fragile. Alright, this is what the refrigerator looks like, and I like this sleek design, and also the black color is never making mistake. Also, the refrigerator is lockable. But I'm not too sure if there are any other options for the color, but I think I love black, so I didn't notice that. Okay, let's open it. And as you can see, I think the capacity of this refrigerator is not that small, because I have seen many kind of compact refrigerator on Amazon, and I think some of them are too small. I know it's compact enough, but I think it's not very practical, so that's why I choose this one. I think this is the instruction manual. Let's see. Welcome, customer satisfaction is our first thing to be considered. Nice. Oh, this is the global warranty card, and it said is 1 year customer service and 100% customer satisfaction. It's nice. And this is the instruction manual. Yep. And also, there are 2 keys included. As I said, this compact refrigerator is lockable. Let's test if it's working. Yep, nice. And there's also a door hinge in this bag, and I forgot to introduce you guys. The introduction tells me that this door is reversible, like, because you know now is open from the left. Yeah, and if you are not getting used to this, you can change the door open way, like I think doing this. Yeah, then the door can be opened from right. Okay, I will teach you guys how does this small refrigerator be used, because I have read an article from the official website, and it tells me that you can use it as an extra refrigeration space for your kitchen, and use number 2, a nice chill box in your bedroom, and use number 3, outdoors. Use number 4, a good partner when camping. And number 5 is you can use it in your office room. And the last use is for beauty, because it said the fact is that your makeup is better to be stored in a relatively low temperature environment, and I think it's true. So I decided to use this small refrigerator in my bedroom and also for my makeups. Okay, let's test how practical is this mini fridge. As I said before, I have looked through many mini fridges on Amazon, and I think some of them are beautiful and compact, but I think it's not practical. So that's why I decided to buy this one. And now I will test how many waters can it store, because I love sparkling water. So especially in summer, I don't want to go outside to the kitchen to get the water. With this small refrigerator, I can just get my water in my bedroom, so it's very nice and friendly for the lazy people. Right. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 bottles of water, and it still left a lot of space in the refrigeration. And this small refrigerator can be used as a beauty fridge. So I'm gonna store some of my makeups here. I think the shelves can be adjusted. Yeah, it is. So if you think it's not enough for your makeups, you can just remove the shelves. It's totally up to you. So you can store your lotion, your eye cream, and some like other makeups in this refrigerator. On the top of the refrigerator, I think this is the mechanical control panel, which is very easy to use. And also there are 2 LED lights, I think, which will make the interior very bright and easy to find your cokes, your drinks, and also your makeups. Okay, let's look at the back of this refrigerator. And there are 2 cables in total. One is for your home use. Of course, you can plug it in your home, and I think this one is a cigarette cable, which means you can use it when you camp. Alright, basically I think this compact refrigerator is meeting my expectation because of its sleek design and also the enough refrigeration space. But I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna test it for like 2 weeks, I guess, and hopefully I will post a video about the product review, and I'll see you soon.